Hi, so you're somebody who is looking to want to learn to trade and maybe have been put off by the education you need to go through, the residential courses or the cost of those residential courses, or being confused by the jargon or worried about having enough time to be able to do this. Well, let me put your mind at rest. Using our Trading for Beginners workshop in bite-sized chunks, I've completely drilled down all the things you need to know in short, easy to absorb sections of no more than a few minutes at a time. And the cost is right down low, giving you exceptional value. On top of that, once you've learned the basics and you've got yourself an understanding and an education, you can also spend time with me. I'm a professional trader and a professional trainer too. And I'll show you how you can automate your trading using Tekton. Tekton has created all of these trades here. This was the month of April, 1st of April to the 30th of April, 8,500 euros of profit in 1 month, all using Tekton auto trading software. Now's the time to take action. If you're somebody who wants to get into trading, now's the time to take action. Click on one of our links, get hold of the Trading for Beginners workshop. It will take you no more than 3 hours to get up to speed, and then let's get in touch with each other and let me show you how to use Tekton, which is just as simple. That's free of charge, and I'll then get you started and get you trading, and you too can have some results just like this. Thanks for watching.